The word prone, which is highlighted in the text, most nearly means A. Lying down, B. Unbalanced, C. Incapable of doing something, or D. Likely to do something. The sentence tells us this bicycle had equal-sized wheels, which made it less prone to toppling over. The word prone can mean lying down, but looking at our sentence, we can see that inserting lying down in place of the word prone doesn't make sense, and therefore this can be marked as incorrect. In order to figure out what the word prone means here, we need to depend on context clues and careful reading. Our passage tells us that H.J. Lawson's safety bicycle had equal-sized wheels, which made it less prone to toppling over. Because we can assume that one who is riding a bicycle would not want it to topple over, and especially taking into consideration that the design was called the safety bicycle, we can infer that Lawson would design his bicycle to be less likely to tip, and therefore less prone must mean less likely. Because our sentence is not asking us what less prone means, it's asking simply for prone, we can mark off the less on both less prone and less likely, and end up with prone meaning likely. Based on this, we can head down to our choices and mark D, likely to do something, as our final answer.